Hi guys, thanks for watching. Now it is 9 a.m. Here in Japan, 9 in the morning, and already today I've earned $75, so I'm very pleased. Waking up to commissions is wonderful. Yesterday has been good, and over the weekend, and most of what's happened in the last 7 days, as you're seeing here, has actually been over the weekend, really. Because I've really just started this new strategy and I'm working with WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus is a great platform and it's been around since 2006. All right. Now, I've decided to add these strategies to my portfolio, my income portfolio, simply because I want to be working with definitely more solid programs, especially in these uncertain times, guys. And Tokyo, which is where I'm based here in Japan. Well, I'm near Tokyo, not far from Tokyo. But the governor of Tokyo has requested us to be in lockdown as much as possible. Not mandatory, but a lot of people have been indoors, and this has done wonders for my business. I'm basically working with WarriorPlus on purpose, simply because I feel that in these times, guys, if you're going to be working from home and if you're spending more time at home and you're looking for extra income streams so that you can work from home, I do recommend a more stable addition to your portfolio, which is definitely affiliate type businesses, such as working with WarriorPlus and ClickBank. WarriorPlus has been around since 2006. ClickBank has been around since the 90s. And JVSU, is an option as well. And with our system, we are working with great products here on WarriorPlus. All right, and we've got a full training below, free access to our training in the comments below. And many of you have probably noticed, those of you who follow me on social media, I have been very quiet on Facebook. All right, I haven't been using Facebook to market my business because I've been really focused on the training and the free training that we use to help our team to generate the traffic and generate leads. And this is a very viral system because not only does it allow you to generate leads, your own leads, but also, you're going to have an army of people generating leads for you. So they will become your leads as well. So you're going to be building your list exponentially, and things are going to be growing very, very fast because of the way this system is set up. Now, this is, the sales that I'm generating here, mostly from the 5-figure day system. Let me just go to some of my stats here, and you've already seen some of the stats, but this is some of the stuff that's been coming in. And as you can see, over the weekend, it's now Monday, but over the weekend, I've been earning decent commission from what we're doing here on the 5-figure day 5-figure day system. All right, this is not 5 figures a day. This is 5-figure day. You could easily build up to a decent income. And sometimes, you're going to see your daily income really increase simply because you're building your following. Now, with this free system, guys, but I do highly recommend you get all in with this. But this is, this will allow people to get on board 100% for free so that you can start building your mailing list. But I do highly recommend you get fully on board with this because these do have some very powerful income streams built into the system. And not only do they give you the income streams that you can earn commissions from within the WarriorPlus system, but also they give you the marketing tools with all these funnels for free. All right, so that you can connect it up with your autoresponder, or if you don't have an autoresponder, if you'd rather not go out there and get an autoresponder system, you don't have to because they have a built-in system already. Let me just show you the autoresponder system as part of this. Is you can use the built-in storage, so you can collect the leads. That's what this is all about, guys. You can collect leads. So you can hook it up with your obvious GetResponse, or alternatively Aweber. You've got GVO, you've got MailChimp, you've got TrafficWave. But it also has an option to just simply use the 5-figure day built-in lead storage. So you are, in any case, you are going to be able to store your leads. So that's very, very beneficial. Having a complete system that you can actually use and actually be given free giveaway rights to this system so that you can start building your mailing list and generating leads. All right, but I do absolutely highly recommend you get upgraded, you get all in, so that you can actually earn commissions. All right. So this is a win-win situation, guys. And when you do get all in, you're going to have giveaway rights, so that you're going to be able to make money on this as well, and make commissions from your Warrior Plus sales. And that's why I'm able to make these sales, is simply because I decided to simply get all in. And once you are all in, you just got one simple copy and paste link that you'll be able to promote out there. And also down at the bottom here, you also get all the swipes necessary in order to promote your business effectively without the guesswork, without knowing what to do. So there's so much here, guys. There's a huge amount of opportunity for you to build your mailing list, to generate commissions, and also they show you exactly where to find where to use the free traffic and also paid traffic if you prefer. So they got great recommendations, free traffic recommendations, paid traffic recommendations. But this entire system is a complete business system in a box, and it's all hooked up with WarriorPlus. And the great thing about WarriorPlus, guys, is it's an affiliate type platform, similar to ClickBank or similar to JVZoo, but with more options, in my opinion, because you can get commissions paid either with PayPal, or if you prefer not to use PayPal, like me, I prefer not to use PayPal, and instead I can connect directly with my bank account, and they can pay you straight into your bank account upon request. So the commissions are paid out, and then you can make withdrawals. And as I say, guys, this platform has been around since 2006. So so by adding this platform to your portfolio, not only I know a lot of people in my space are working with cryptocurrency type MLM businesses, but this is not MLM. This is not cryptocurrency. This is not MLM. This is nothing like that. This is completely different. All right, this is stuff that's been around for decades, and people have been making money. People are making 6-7 figure incomes from this platform, even as we speak. And guys, this is something that you should really consider using, because you could be working with this either by promoting on YouTube or social media, or you can do solo ads, or you can hook it up with our funnel system that's already done for you, which we're going to be able to give you down below in the links. And we've already done a complete done for you funnel for this entire system, so that you can really start to promote and get commissions from this very fast, and actually give away not only the funnel system, plus you can give away the training that includes all the traffic generation methods that we're using that actually work. There's nothing here, there's no fluff here. It's all stuff that absolutely works. As you can see, guys, I'm just using the system. So people have noticed that I've been very quiet on social media. That's simply because I've been working elsewhere in my new strategies, and this is a whole lot easier, because when that you've been involved with companies that have been gone down, and people are proudly saying, "Oh, my company's been around for 6 months," or people are proudly saying, "My company's been around for over a year." That's MLM, guys. That's cryptocurrency or trading or anything like that. The passive income earning opportunities do not last. All right, I love some of those companies, and I'm involved in some of those companies, but I've added this to my strategies simply because I want long-term success. I want long-term, ongoing income from a platform that's been around, has been solid, and it's absolutely proven. In the crypto space, there's really nothing proven. All I see that's absolutely proven is people who have lost a lot of money, who are involved in companies that are not even paying you anymore, or they put everything on pause, especially during these times, because cryptocurrency and it's all very volatile, and trading and everything, and that's fine, guys. I'm involved in that. I love it, and I'm excited about that. But I'm just adding this to my portfolio because I need some more stability. All right, especially in these uncertain times. So I'm telling you guys, get involved with Warrior Plus platform. Get involved with our done for you system. You can also optionally, and I will repeat, optionally have access to our Power Lead system, funnel system, that will be handed to you with a simple one single share code you can copy and paste in the system, and the training is complete. All right, and you can have a whole entire funnel system completely set up, and you'll be able to give away the entire system, including the training, to the people in your team. So nothing has been left out with this entire system. You can absolutely 100% focus on this entire system if you so choose, and know that you're going to be able to earn potentially, and I will say, and I will repeat, potentially hundreds of dollars a day, all right, if not more, depending on your goals, depending on what efforts you're prepared to put into this. But I do recommend putting some time in, because you are now, many of you are at home now, and with these uncertain times, you're not knowing what's going to happen, with the businesses that are closing around the world at the moment. Everything's on pause, everything's on lockdown. These are the times where you can get access to the internet. You are online. Everybody. This is the only thing that we've got left where we can absolutely communicate with people, and get very, build up relationships with people. This is the only thing that we've got now at the moment where we can really start to build relationships, build a list, build a following, and really move forward, so that when things get back to normal, and they will, guys, everything will get back to normal. But by that time, we want to make sure that you have a solid income in place, so that you can start to feel good about yourself, feel good about life, and that's what it's all about. To start to feel good about life. All right, I'm really pleased to be potentially working with you guys. Get on the link below. We've got the training down below. We've got the platform that we're able to generate the commissions from. Everything's down below. Just start going through the steps in the training, and look forward to working with you. See you on the next page, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.